Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. It's your boy Etiforex from FX Major. Okay, so you can see this setup with just this strategy just uploaded a few hours ago. I uploaded it yesterday and it's not up to a day now. So yeah, you can see here I use this strategy to keep signal on my VIP channel. And please, if you're not on my VIP channel, kindly try and join my VIP channel. You can see we've been making good profits. Okay, today I've given two signals already. Today is 26, right? Okay, so this is it, 26. So I dropped a signal here. Okay, this is 26, right? Good morning, signals dropping. I dropped the first signal, which is VIX 10, and it didn't move properly. So I told them to close and enter again. So they closed. Yeah, you can see it closed out. They closed out and I told them we're gonna sell later, and I sold it again. We sold this VIX 10 again, and we were in good profits. Good profits. I closed with so much profit. Okay, and we take partial and we close with good profits. I told them we might sell C1000, and we sold C1000. As it stands, we are still running good profits. Okay, so the C1000, um, I got in the setup the setup from this strategy you're seeing here now. Yeah, from this strategy, and also combined with a price action analysis. Okay, so like I said, I love telling you guys you need to learn price action. You need to learn price action. Price action is the best. So if you want to be successful in this market, you need to learn price action. Okay, so if you can combine the price action with this strategy, trust me, you're good. You're fine. You're perfect. Do perfectly well. Okay, so now this strategy is very simple. Mostly, I know you'll be seeing this MA up here, and you're wondering why I'm making use of MA. Okay, now this MA, the only thing this MA does is, okay. For example, here, sorry. Okay, when we have the MA above the current price, when we have MA above the current price, you will realize that when we have spikes, okay, now when we have spikes to the upside, like sorry, now when we have the MA above the current price, you see market spikes a lot, and it spikes like two times at once. Yeah, you see the spikes like two, three times, and you don't have more of these dots. Yeah, so if you go down again, you see the same thing I'm trying to say here. So now the only reason I put this MA sometimes is because it tells me that if the spike when the spike comes, it's gonna come several times. Now you see what happened here when the spike happened here, and we have all the MA above the current price. You see market spiking. You see spiking down, spiking down, spiking down all the way down. Yeah. So that's the thing there, right? That's the thing. So so that's why I, I, I I included this MA. It's not because it gives any kind of signal, just that it tells me that this spike gonna push down for a long time. Do you understand? Like the trend gonna push down for a long time. If you know how to make use of MA, you understand that MA tells you the trend, the market trend. Now, when the MA is below the current price, you see we have so many dots here, have dots up, price keep going up even when it gets to the the level 90, 95 level, it will not spike. If even the spike comes, it's not always very long. But when we have the MA above the current price, you can see the spikes coming unnecessarily every time. Spike keeps coming. Okay, so the same thing here. You see the spike, few dots, and spike keeps coming. So you can, when you have the MA, all MA above the current price, and you see my market spikes like this, you see this long spike, what you need to do, you sell, and you can still hold your position for a long time until it gets to down to this level. Okay, so that's it. Now I'll show you the settings for this strategy. Right now we are still running profit. We're still running profit and still expecting more spikes. Okay, so this was our entry. This is where we opened the first position, and I opened the second one here, and the spike happened. Okay, so You can see we are still running profits, $29. And so today, this is the profit we made today. I made $84 today. Yeah, I made $84 today from the VIX 10 I dropped earlier today. Okay, we are still running profit, so I'm expecting more spikes to come. Yeah, I'm expecting more spikes to come because I can see the MA above the current price, and apart from that, this is a downtrend. Now let me quickly show you guys the the settings for this strategy. We have MA20 exponential applied to low, and pixel. We can use 2 pixel and whatever color you want to choose any color. Then you go back again. We have MA200. We have exponential. We have applied to low. The pixel, you can choose any color. Again, you apply VIX. MA100 exponential. Apply to close. You choose any color and to pixel. You go back again to under indicator window 1. You have RSI, relative strength index. Okay, so the period is 8. Apply to close. The style is 2 pixel and the color is red. Then these are the levels here. We have 90. Forget about the 0 we have there because it's not appearing on our chart. We have 90, we have 15, we have 95, and we have 10. Okay, so and pixel is 2 and color black. That's if you're using white. Your MT5 background is white, then you choose white. You choose black, sorry. But if it is black, you choose white so that it will be seen, to be visible on your chart. Now you go back and click on done. You go back again. You bring MACD. You have MACD fast EMA at 12, slow EMA at 26, MACD SMA at 9, and we apply to close. Main is 1 pixel and the color is blue. That's yeah, the color is blue. The this other one is 1 pixel and the color is white. That's if because I'm using white and there are no levels. Okay, you go back and click on done. Okay, then you go again and bring in Ichimoku, and our Ichimoku. Tenkan Sen is 1, Kijun Sen is 2, second span B is 2052 rather, and you don't fill this place, you leave it empty. Okay, you don't take that place, you leave it empty. Then the Tenkan Sen is 3 pixel and the color is black. Others is 111 pixel and white. That's because I'm using white background. I don't want those colors there to be visible to show on my chart. Okay, so you go back and click on done. Okay, so that's the strategy, that's the settings. Then when you see price at level 90, you see the MA, sorry, you see the RSI at level 90, and the Chumuku at level 90 as well. You sell. Okay, you sell at that level. Then that's for crash. Then for boom, when you see price at this level, let me quickly check boom 1000. Okay, you see what just happened right there. You see what just happened right there. See the spike that happened there. You see this other spike. So this strategy is amazing. Trust me, it's amazing. So when you have both the MA and the Ichimoku at level, sorry, when you have the RSI and the Ichimoku at level 10 and 15, you should be looking for buying opportunity. Okay, you open a buy position. Now you can only open buy position for boom when you see the trend going up. Okay, so you can check my previous video, especially the last video just uploaded. You see the what I explained there. With that, it will help you. Do you understand? So yeah, so that's it. Okay, that's it. I don't want to waste much time. Then yeah, for boom, you buy at level 10 or level 15. For crash, you sell at level for crash you sell at level 90 or 95. Okay, then you must always confirm the trend. Now for example, look at the trend here. Okay, you can see price pushing down, yeah, pushing down. You can see we have more of red candles here. So that shows that the price is still going down. Okay, so when you have something like this, you should be looking for selling opportunity. Yeah, instead of buying, you should be looking for selling opportunity. Okay, so that's it. That's how to at least know the trend of the market. And you can see we have all the MA. We have MA 200, 100, and is it 50 or 20 above the current price, and that shows that price is still pushing down. Okay, so that's the setup, guys, and that's the strategy. It's amazing. Trust me. If you move down, you see what I'm talking about. You see the spikes everywhere. See the spikes everywhere. It's amazing. I love the strategy. I love the strategy. It's amazing. It's killing. It's killing. It's killing, really. Okay. So that's it, guys. I think that should be all for now. Then I'll drop more videos. So kindly hit the subscription button, um, like, and drop your comments. If you have any idea, anything you think we should talk about, you drop your comments. And also, also join my free Telegram channel for updates. My free Telegram channel is very important, okay, so that you get what I'm dropping, and you be the first to watch, learn, and make money from it. Okay, so that'll be all, guys. I love you people. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Okay, thank you. Join my VIP. We are making so much money there.